Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today we are explore how to create a business visual balance using pixel aspect ratio in Photoshop. Photoshop opens with a business video frame that feels slightly stretched. A pause happens here because distortion silently damages trust. Pixel aspect ratio settings come into focus. The correct format is selected to match the platform requirements. Instantly, shapes breathe better. Faces look natural again. A slow zoom helps inspect text clarity. Business titles now sit properly without squeezing. Small adjustments refine the ratio until proportions feel honest. Silence matters here. This